What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video I mean. And in today's tutorial video, I'm going to be telling you guys the difference between personal account and business account in PayPal. So for most people, they think personal account and business account in PayPal is same because the both accounts' main goal is to send and receive money because PayPal is a peer-to-peer money transferring app. Just like similar to Cash App, PayPal is also similar to that. Alright, so most people think it doesn't matter if you have a personal or a business account. But in this video, I'm going to make the debate clear by showing you the difference between personal account and business account. And I'm going to be reading the article which is written by PayPal officially. So if you also want to see this article, you can go to PayPal's Help Center and search for a difference between personal and business account, and it's going to display you this thing. But I'm going to be telling you guys what the difference is. Now before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's move on. Now, personal account is, let's say you create a PayPal account and you want to use it for your personal use, like to pay for a payment and to receive payment, like for a single use. You don't want to transfer a large amount of money. Then personal account is for you. But if you want to use an account for a business use, let's say you want a single account to be used by multiple person at the same time, then business account is for you. Because personal account cannot be used by multiple people at the same time, business account can be used by multiple people at the same time. So as you guys can see, I'm going to read this. Recommended for merchant who operate under a company group name. It offers additional features such as allowing up to 200 employee limited access to your account and customer service email allies for customer issue to be rerouted for faster follow-ups. So these are the extra feature provided by it. And the fee is also charged differently for personal and business account. So for that, I'm going to make a separate video. Alright, so hope you guys understand what the difference between personal and business account is. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and bye bye.